If you also want to turn on dark mode on your WhatsApp screen, don't miss any part of this video. First, open WhatsApp. Then, click on the three dots. Now, go to Settings. Scroll down, and you'll find an option called Chats. Click on it. In the Theme section, you'll see the option right at the top. Tap on it. Now select Dark Mode. Click OK, and you'll see the dark mode applied. I'm just showing it here but won't keep it on right now. I hope this video helped you understand how to do it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.